Hello everyone. For today's do-it-yourself, we'll need 2 aluminum beverage cans. With the help of sandpaper, you need to clean the paint from the bottom of the can. You can now open and drink the beverage. Next, with the help of a blade from a stationary knife, we cut off a small part of the can. Two such parts are needed, and they must be connected by inserting one into the other. You need to make 2 holes in this thing, one at 0.39 inches and the other at 0.236 inches. A drill won't make a precise hole, use a grinding stone instead. Drill several 0.0787 inches holes in the upper part. Next, get a 0.39 inches diameter pipe and drill a 0.098 inches hole on one side. After that, you need to insert a piece of rope or some fabric into the pipe. Then we take 2 nuts for 6 and screw them onto the pin. We insert the pin into the screwdriver and tighten the nuts using a wrench. So that's how it all turned out. Now these nuts need to be pressed into the pipe. Now we insert the pipe into the structure made from soda cans and fix it with the help of a bolt. We'll put this aside for now. Next, you'll need some sort of metal canister, for example, from a shaving foam. You also need to remove the paint from the canister using a press. After confirming there's no pressure, we use a knife to cut off the top part of the metal. Now with the help of a chisel, we punch the throat. At the bottom of the balloon, we drill a hole with a 6-sided drill. Then you need to take a small 6-sided bolt and make a through hole in it. We put a rubber gasket on the bolt, then insert it into the balloon and tighten it with a nut. To prevent anything from leaking, you need to wind a foam tape on the bolt, and after that, attach a structure made of aluminum cans to it. We close the lid, and for now, we put it aside. Next, you will need some material that is not susceptible to burning. I took Textolite, from which I cut out such a detail. You need to drill a hole in it, as shown on the screen. This is the result after painting. In the larger diameter holes, we insert bolts and secure them with nuts. On one side, the nut should be regular, on the other side it should be a lock nut. We lay down the felt pads, then put the previously made structure and fix it with clamps. That's it. The do-it-yourself is complete. Many likely realized it turned out to be a spirit lamp. You can take such a burner with you on a hike and cook on it or heat up food. Now watch how it works. We open the cap of the balloon and pour ethyl alcohol into it. Also, a little bit of alcohol needs to be poured onto the burner itself. Now we light it and the burner starts to work. As you can see, the burner works excellently. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because videos come out regularly every week, but not everyone knows about it. And if you hit the bell, you will get a notification. Thanks for watching. Goodbye all.